All right, let's talk about this Rockler dust collector bag. It's rated to 5 microns and it's for a wall mount dust collection system. I use it as part of a dust collection for my shop, which I will show you. It is, forgive the stuff falling, it is extremely thick. If you're expecting a small, thin bag, you will be disappointed. This is a very thick, heavy-duty bag. It does not let the dust through. It attaches up here with a very, very robust clamping system. And again, you know, I've had this for quite a while. You can see that it has some plastic, some clear plastic to allow you to see just how full your bag is. It gets very heavy, and this clamping system, at least for me, it does not fall, which I was a little concerned about when I saw exactly how heavy this gets. I mean, look, this is barely full, and it's already pretty heavy. In terms of how I use it in my shop, I'll just show you really quickly. I have a very small shop, and so I have this dust collection system rigged to where I can move it around my shop, and you can see I can attach it to my planer here, and then I can also move it over here and attach it to my table saw. And so for me, this is a fantastic way to make use of this dust collection system, and I highly recommend it.